Hello and welcome back to the channel. So now, with the Nigerian 2019 round of elections already been and gone, in this video I am going to be bringing you details of how Omoyele Sowore is going to be accounting for how he spent nearly 160 million on that round of elections. So here we go. Sowore gives account of how publicly raised campaign funds were spent. In a detailed infographic released on Sunday, the Sowore 2019 campaign organization revealed that it had spent a grand total of 157,884,936 naira and 98 kobo for its campaign activities. Omoyele Sowore, the presidential candidate of the African Action Congress (AAC) in the just concluded general election, has given detailed accounts of expenditures from public funds which he solicited to fund his presidential ambition. In an infographic released on Sunday, the Sowore 2019 campaign organization revealed that it has spent a grand total of 157,884,936 naira and 98 kobo for its campaign activities. The campaign, which spanned 50 weeks and cut across 36 states in over 15 countries, detailed its expenses to include town hall rentals, which gulped 9.8 million for event centers and 3.2 million for accessories. So that's for tea and biscuits, I guess. That will be what the accessories are. Others include caravan rental for 8 million, travel costs for 5.5 million, mobilization of the attendees for 20.2 million, refreshments for the attendees for 3.3 million, accommodation of the candidate and team members for 4.2 million, and security and intelligence for 740,000 naira. Now that surprises me for a campaign that ran for 50 weeks, and it went the length and breadth of the country, to have spent that little on security in a country like Nigeria. That impresses. Sowore raised money publicly through GoFundMe account and a Zenith Bank account. Recounting his experience and the need for accountability through a statement, human rights activist Sowore said, "A little over a year ago, we embarked on a remarkable journey aimed at rescuing Nigeria from 58 years of inept leadership, returning power to the Nigerian people, and setting our nation on a path to progress and growth. Our campaign birthed a global movement which brought Nigerians together in a way that had never happened before. We staged hundreds of events in Nigeria and around the world, giving voice to powerful yearnings of our people for true and positive change. Thousands of you donated your time, skills, energy, and funds to our epic campaign, and it truly was an epic campaign. The document is a thorough accounting of the funds that were donated and the uses to which they were put by the campaign. Only the financial donations that were raised are captured in this document." So that's the monies. I think he's saying that it's just the GoFundMe. I'm not quite sure if there are other monies that came from other sources, but I'm not quite sure what he meant by that statement. Although the tens of thousands of volunteer hours that many of you put into the Sowore 2019 effort might never be captured on paper, the impact of those donations in kind were felt all over Nigeria. To all those who give generously of their time and energy, we say thank you, and that thank you is in capital letters. stand with us as we continue to walk towards taking Nigeria back. So that is now Omoyele Sowore giving an account of how the monies that he raised was spent. That is quite a sizable amount of money, actually, 160 million nearly. And so he's now giving an account of how he has spent it. And I think there's a document actually that goes into even further detail, because it looks like a 19-page document actually that he has released. So that's embedded within this article, which I'm not really going to bother with because it's just an accounting document, unless you want to know. He spent the money spent on posters, etc., all the graphs and all the, so it's all there. But there he is trying to account, or actually accounted for how he spent the monies raised from donations. So yes, a 50-week campaign costing nearly 160 million. That seems quite a reasonable spend to me. Are there any leftovers from that money is not something that was established in this article. I'm sure it is established in the document, and if there is any leftovers from the monies raised, then what happens to that is the next question, because you know what Nigerians are like. They are very quick to point fingers, and I'm sure that is why Sowore has decided to move very quickly to release this document and to say, guys, thank you for donating the money, and this is what the money was spent on. So Sowore there giving an account of how monies raised was spent. What do we make of this? And more importantly, what do we make of what is left over from that monies raised? So what happens to that? Is that kept in the coffers for elections to come? Is that being spent in Rivers State? So we need further details of a plan for the future. And Sowore has been too silent recently. He's still fairly silent on the results of the elections, because I was expecting him to be a lot more punchy, seeing the level of rigging. But at least he's coming out first to give an account of how money was spent, because money is always a sensitive issue. So he decided to address that first. So that's been addressed. So then the next question obviously is, what happens next, both to the leftover and the course of direction for the Sowore movement, the Take It Back movement, which he has ignited within the Nigerian consciousness. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Joe Sowore accounting. What do you make of this? Conversations about Sowore and accounting in the comment section. But before you come have that conversation with me regarding Sowore and accounting in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray, the bell button so you are notified as soon as I drop a new video. Then come, let's talk the figures that Sowore has just dropped in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you there, but here I say peace.